This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Portland Police Department at 2:46 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Multiple reports of a creature roaming random houses, attacking anyone who moves. At this time, listen, do not move. Moving will have lethal consequences. If you hear a distance laughing or feel uncomfortable, close your eyes and do not open them after 20 minutes. Falling asleep helps as well, just be careful. This message will repeat in 1 hour with more information. Stay safe and good luck.